I think in general, with the system recorder, we have a really great solution and innovative approach for the topic of maintenance. And starting a little bit about what is maintenance in general. So we have, for example, predictive maintenance that looks at the actual status of the machine. So we are checking whether there is some grease needed or whatever, and predicting whether the machine is breaking down anytime soon. But no matter how highly optimized your machine is, there are situations where definitely you didn't think of, or there are events that also you didn't plan, and that results in a quality loss, for example, or can also just simply stop the machine, which reduces your OEE, and basically you're losing money every minute. And thinking about, maybe you had an event lately, and if you thought about what would be the optimal solution for that, you want to react really fast, right? So you want to be at the machine on time. You would also like to see the moment in time when the error happened, or for example, when the quality loss is dropping. You would also like to have your maintenance team to be on site, and or for example, everywhere in the world. You would like to have them access to have a look at the machine as well. But the reality is, in most of the cases, that you feel disconnected from your machine. You arrive at the machine, the error already happened, so you cannot go back in time, basically. Probably you have some logging file already in place, but maybe the right data is missing that caused the problem. So, worst case, basically, you have to reproduce the error. And all of these points we are tackling with machine surveillance. So first of all, I would like to say that with the help of TSN, of course, we can combine all the data feed, all the video feed as well. And because we can combine data and video, that gives us the opportunity to also place video cameras into the process. And I think I would have never said that, but you can basically travel back in time in a, of course, limited way, let's say it like this. But together with TSN, we can synchronize all the video feed and the data. Yeah, travel back in time. So we see exactly the event when it happened. We see all the data and we can start analyzing, right? So that all is being enabled by the TSN technology. I would say, in general, also in terms of AI, we were talking about many AI solutions. We also have some video recorder that is driven by AI that helps you identifying exactly in the video feed where in the past time the error happened, so you can directly jump to that situation and start analyzing.